love it when I can come home from work and feel excited about stepping into my own space. After a long day, there's nothing better than having an amazing home to come back to. What's even better? Being able to unwind and de-stress. Grabbing a snack and sneaking in a quick workout. With all the space this home has to offer, I have an awesome workout room in the basement with great natural light. I love to sweat it out on the bike or lift weights in this bright and airy space, and it's so convenient to have it right at home. But you know what? Sometimes I'm just not feeling it, and that's when I head out to the nearby trail for some fresh air and exercise. This trail has been my go-to for so long, and it's where I've worked through so much, taken long walks, played with the kids, and explored the forest. Exactly what I needed today. And after that walk and jog, it's time to relax. And what better way than to cozy up and watch a movie? But maybe on the big screen. This home has a fantastic bar, and it's so much fun when I have friends and family over. We gather around, snack on popcorn, sip on wine, and enjoy a movie together. And when that day is finally over and I'm ready for bed, I can go get my comfy jammies from my walk-in closet. With plenty of space for all my clothes and accessories, I always find what I need. Teeth brushed, ready for bed, and grateful for every moment that I have in this home.